welcome to this walkthrough of how to pull a database for new updates and send the data to a SaaS application. My name is Karre Lawson, and I will be guiding you through this integration using Oracle Integration Cloud. In a broad overview, this integration starts with the addition of this row of data into the database. Once we commit that, an integration in OIC will be triggered, and that same row of data will be propagated to a SaaS application. Now let's walk through how to set up the integration, starting with the connection using our library of pre-built adapters. On the OIC Integration Designer page, select Connections. Here you will see a list of all the connections that have been initiated. Once you click Create, a menu of available pre-built adapters appear. Select or search by keyword for the one you are choosing to work with. If you cannot find what you are looking for, try using the REST adapter to connect to any application with an API library. Configure the connectivity, configure the security, and any other necessary details on the page. Scroll back to the top, click Save, then test the connection. Once a notification alerts you of success, save once more and close. Repeat this process for as many applications as you want to add to the integration. Navigate back to the Integrations menu item, then click Create and select App-Driven Orchestration. Give the integration a name, and if you'd like, add a short description. To start this integration, we are going to add in a trigger endpoint using the database connection we just created. I'm going to call it Database Updates. Import the tables we want to send updates from. Set up the polling strategy and continue through to finish. Next, add in our first invoke, which will connect the SaaS instance to the integration. Select the data you want to update and continue through to finish, and map the data you want to send from the database to the application. To finish off this integration, we will just add a business identifier that is required by OIC for runtime tracking, and that's it. We just activate and enable tracing with the payload so that if we wanted to come back and debug, we have that data in the monitoring page. Now, if we go back to the database, enter in a new row of information, and commit the data, the integration will be triggered, and we should see activity in the monitoring page. If we click in on one of these items, we'll be able to see the tracing that shows everything completed successfully. Here we see everything's green. If something were to have failed, you would see the module surrounded in red, and you'd be able to go in and view the activity stream to see the payload, what data was sent through, and any other errors necessary for debugging. That's all for this demonstration, so thank you for your time, and I hope you join me again in our next video of Oracle Integration Product.